Okay, today I'll talk about the CPA marketing and I'll be taking an example of the CPA grip account. Okay, watch the video till the end. I will be explaining each and everything, how it all works, from where you need to promote the offer and on which traffic source you need to promote. Okay, so stay focused and stay consistent with my strategy. All right, every now and then I am dropping value, try to implement the strategy. Okay, and if you get stuck anywhere, there is a link in the description. I have provided my Instagram account. You can always direct message me there if you have any question, or you can drop down, or you can comment below in the comment section of this YouTube video. Okay. So without wasting any time, let's just dive straight to the video. See, this is the dashboard. Once you log in of the CPA Grip account, you need to click over here, offer tool. After that, my offers. When you click over here, my offers, you will get this page. See, you will get this page. You need to select United States. All right, all categories, that's it, and put enter. When you put enter, you will get all these offers which are working very well, which are converting very well in United States. Okay, so we need to only promote the offers which are converting very well. This one, do you see that in green part? This works very best because the EPC is very good. See, 0.28 is the EPC, 0.15 is the EPC. See, these both are green. All are also good, but these two are converting very well. So we need to focus on this. Okay. See, one is on desktop, one is on mobile. Okay, they only require email submit. That's it, and you will be getting paid $1.71 or $2.31. All right. So what we will do? Suppose we will take this. We'll just click over here. All right. We'll just click over here and we'll just copy this copy this affiliate link. We will just shorten this link from Linktree or Bitly. This is the step one. Okay, this is the step one. Now comes the traffic where we are going to promote this. We will be promoting the offer to one of the best website, and I am pretty sure you have never heard about this. See, this is the website tonic.com. Tonic.com. This is the best untapped traffic source. Untapped traffic source. No one is promoting on tonic.com. Everyone is going for Facebook ads. Everyone is going for YouTube ads. Everyone is going for Google ads. Okay, this is the best website to promote the CPA offers because there is very less competition. No one is promoting on these websites. And the best part of it is you are getting the traffic at a very, it's like peanuts. You will be getting 1,000 visitors for just $1. It's a pop under traffic, 1,000 visitors for just $1. Okay, so I would highly recommend you to go for this traffic source. Buy traffic. I mean tonic.com. The best, one of the best traffic and the cheapest traffic on earth. Tonic.com. Okay, and where there is less competition, you need to promote on those websites. They have two traffic sources, to domain redirect traffic and pop up traffic. Okay, so focus on this. This is the first traffic source, buytraffic.com, I mean tonic.com, and the second traffic source is hilltopads.com. Hilltopads.com. This works very best on the mobile offers. Okay, this is one of the best traffic source on the mobile offers. You can promote the mobile CPA offers. Okay, as part of it is you can just target the audience as per your convenience. I mean, like Facebook, the way you target on Facebook, you can select the country, device type, the browser, the time of targeting, the keywords, frequency. I mean, you can detail target your audience. Okay, what the interests are based on the interest and everything. See, the kind of traffic I am telling you, no one talks about because very few people knows about these traffic source. Everyone is obsessed with Google ads, Bing ads, or Facebook ads, and they just spend their money and they don't earn at all. Okay, so these are the traffic source where you need to go and focus and implement the strategy. What I'm saying, just create an account on advertiser as an advertiser on this website hilltopads.com. Sign up as an advertiser and just run campaign. Okay, just run campaign on these websites. Just run campaign on hilltopads.com. You need to select two things: target mobile and target, what I'm saying, the CPA offers. Okay, target mobile phone, target USSCP offers. That's it. Okay, this is the second traffic source, and the third traffic source is super ad post. This is the free traffic source. Okay, I'll be telling you one more website, okay, where you can promote your ad free of cost, and at the time of checkout they would just charge $5 and your ad will be posted for 30 days. If you don't want to pay $5, then you can post your ad free of cost. Okay, so this is the website superadpost.com. You can post free classified ads in India, USA, UK, Canada, Australia, UAE, Singapore. Okay, just select the category, in which category you want to promote your offer. All right, just select the category. There are a lot of categories, and just you need to write 3 4 lines. See, I just received $100 gift card. I hope it will help you a lot. If you are interested, kindly visit our website and put your affiliate link like this. Okay, see, you need your ad will be posted like this. Your ad will be posted like this, and these website receives traffic. That's why they are exist. That's why they are here. They exist because no one will keep the maintain of the website if they are not getting the traffic. Okay, you can see that health and beauty 46 offers are still going on. Are you getting health and beauty fitness? 36 offers are going on. So try to make the full use of this website. Okay, it's all free. You are not paying anything at all. All right. And the last website is freeadstime.org. See, this is highly USA based website. I mean, you just need to promote the offers on the USA country. See, these are the states: Alaska, Arizona, North Carolina, and these are the cities in Alaska. You can promote your ad. You can post an ad on these cities in the USA. Okay, so take action. If you get stuck, there is a link in the description, or you can direct message me on Instagram. So how to promote the offers on these websites. See, these websites receives lot of traffic, lot of eyeballs. That's why I'm saying it's hard. It's hardcore USA traffic. So take advantage of these traffic source. Okay, just create an account, post an ad. That's it. It's all free. You need to just write 3 4 lines. Okay, just suppose we select Alabama, and Alabama, select Birmingham. The next page will open. They will ask you 3 4 lines. Just write 3 4 lines. As I said, see, if anyone is looking for free gift cards, if interested, kindly visit our